Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Real Boxing 2 on iPhone. So let's get started. First, locate the Real Boxing 2 game on your home screen. Tap the Real Boxing 2 game and hold onto it until a menu appears. In the menu that appears, select the Remove App option. Choose the Delete App option to confirm that you want to uninstall Real Boxing 2. Finally, tap on the Delete option and now the Real Boxing 2 game will be uninstalled from your device. And this is how you can uninstall Real Boxing 2 on iPhone. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.